All right, so it's go time here. We're going to final bout and knuckle up this weekend in Houston. We're gonna take this car with us. It's not running yet, so we've got like 3 or 4 guys. We're all on it right now. We have an order of what we need to do chronologically to make this thing work. So we got Matt rebuilding axles right now. I'm doing a few small things like boost related. Hunter's finishing up a lot of the welding, and Chase is finishing up some of the brakes and stuff. So it's all of us on here pretty much nonstop this week. We're gonna try to get the car ready to go and load it up by Thursday afternoon with the guys hit the road. So it's gonna be a busy week. This is one of those things that does some stuff for this thing to do that. And I gotta figure out where to mount it so it can do that, but more. So I'm gonna mount this thing. Oh, hold on. Hello? Let me transfer you. Good? Okay, cool. I'm happy. I'm like that.
I thought that I would be able to ask Chase this question before he drove off.
CJ, help. CJ, I need your help. Save me.
Help me, Obi-Wan Kenobi. You're my only hope.
The guy behind you's like, yep.
Hunter finished up the downpipe and finished up temporarily. We're going to run the wastegate this way. Eventually, we're going to actually bleed it into the downpipe, but looks really good there. We're working on the boost controller now as well. We'll get this thing up in the air. Let you see the exhaust. Got our windows in, so we're rocking and rolling right now. So we'll shoot it up in the air and let you see the exhaust.
thing don't barely spin at no RPMs. CJ, don't use any audio of me talking like that.
So we're laying the harness out right now. We got a couple of small things that Chase is taking care of that he has already taken care of. We're getting most of the engine coolant stuff in place right now. We're down to the wire a little bit, but that's okay. We got just really small things to do. We're getting ready to work on the fuel system. Chase and I are about to tackle that right now. Matt's throwing windows in currently. We're doing the trim on the outside for that. Here in the next probably 10-15 minutes, Chase and I are gonna dive in pretty hard on the fuel system. We're a little bummed we weren't able to actually finish the car and go drifting this weekend. We got a lot of stuff done, but we just, between dyno tuning and just getting things in overnighted and things like that, it didn't quite work out. But we're still gonna take the car, still gonna look cool. We're gonna have it on display. We got probably 90% of the project complete. Just that last 10% just kind of bit us there. So it's all good. We'll have it running in the next few weeks, but otherwise we're just gonna kind of get it loaded up here soon so the guys can hit the road and head on out to Houston.